Hey guys, many of us can't start our day without having our morning coffee. The aroma and the first sip of coffee activate all our senses as well as the brain. Coffee lovers can have coffee at any time of the day. Making a cup of coffee is no rocket science. However, science does exist in brewing a tasty and flavorful cup of coffee. If you are a coffee expert, then you might be aware of what it takes to brew a delicious and flavorful cup of coffee. However, if you love coffee but have to depend on coffee shops, then this video can be quite helpful. In this video, we will discuss what it all takes to make coffee a good coffee. The components and equipment. The quality of the components and equipments used to brew the coffee play a key role as far as brewing is concerned. Be it the grinder, filter or dripper, everything matters when it comes to brewing a cup of coffee. Many people prefer a manual dripper as it filters sediment and oil. Under manual drippers, also a wide range of varieties available in the market. The same goes for grinders and filters. Hence, select the right equipment that can help you make a cup of coffee to suit your taste buds. Coffee beans. The taste and flavor of coffee are stored in the coffee beans. Coffee beans of different countries differ from each other in terms of aroma, taste and flavor. The two most popular coffee beans are Robusta beans, are rich in chlorogenic acid and caffeine content. Arabica beans are known for their balancing flavors. Be selective while purchasing the coffee beans. If you love having coffee, try looking beyond supermarket ads. Specialty coffee might be a good change for your taste buds. Roasting methods. Roasting of beans is the step where beans tend to get their rich taste. Numerous methods can be used to roast the beans. The most suitable temperature for roasting is between 180 to 250 degrees Celsius. Duration for roasting is generally around 2 to 25 minutes. Those fresh green coffee beans are transformed into flavorful aromatic brown beans when roasted. The aroma of coffee results from various chemical changes taking place in the beans during roasting. The quantity of aromatic compounds formed during roasting varies with the temperature and duration of roasting. For example, more roasting means less chlorogenic acids. Type and quality of water. Pure water is not just essential for living but also for making a good coffee. The taste of coffee made from tap water is quite different from that made up of distilled water. The reason being the distilled water is clean and free from impurities and other contaminants. Recent studies have shown that hard water enhances the flavor of the coffee. Calcium and magnesium ions present in hard water are responsible for increasing the flavor. Grinder and brewing perfect coffee. Nothing can beat the taste of freshly ground coffee. The size and shape of the grounded beans play a vital role in giving aromatic smells and flavors to the coffee. Uniformly grounded beans tends to provide much better results. Many grinders are available in the market. Do thorough research before finalizing your purchase. The factors essential to get most from the coffee beans are time, pressure, and turbulence during brewing. So I guess you have understood the science behind a good cup of coffee. Start your day by having one. Comment your thoughts below in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to the channel as it helps a lot in making more videos.